together and share the food together, sharing also the emotions, and in some way open the hearts, it's informal situation when we can be ourselves in the lunch and in the dinner. So it's help us to be closed and to know each other and to have a relationship among us. So it's the heart because it's the point where always we can meet. We bought it from Evergreen, we put it down and then we assemble it here in a retreat that we have in August 2018. It took us a few hours to put it down and then of course a little bit more to put it together. Yeah, it's a really light structure, so it took us 3 days to put it up because we want to do it properly, and it was a learning process also. So we were all together working. I think it was the first really common and community work, and where we make really a team. I really have a nice memory about that work together. So the base are the pillars, the column, and then there are two I-beam where it's sitting the house properly, and there are 6 panels, each one is 1 meter with the floor, and then there are the walls. They are stay together with keep together with the bolts. So the house it's demountable, and the roof it's made with sandwich panels, which is really good isolated for heat season. We made an overhang roof, which is 1.5 meters all around the house. In fact, when it's raining, the walls are dry. We add the mesh, we add the windows. Inside, we design the furniture and how to change and to make it properly a kitchen. The last furniture that we had, it was a wooden table that we make in some weeks ago. So it came like 2 years after we put in place the common kitchen. We decided to protect the walls and to make it to look like a kitchen. So we decided to put the tiles. We had donations, some tiles, and Matilde and Andres took this honor to. They commit to finish the work, and they did a really nice and in tune with they make a kind of puzzle with all the colors being together. So then we have a volunteers, Mary. She proposed to us to add some beauty to the place, the buildings, and she came with that idea, and it was her design, and actually she finished it some days before to leave Auroville. And then we have a tank behind the house, and we collect the water, the grey water, and from there we have a pipe, and we made the beds and the vegetable garden on the back of the common kitchen, and yeah, we use that water to watering the plants, so it's kind of close the circle. So actually we eat the vegetable for the garden. We also have a plan to add the biogas system. We have a donation from an Aurovillian. will be the last piece that we can fix and to make it complete. We still receive a lot of stuff for the dishes, plates, and all the stuff that we need in the kitchen. So we post some announced in Auronet, and we continue to receive stuff to use. I really enjoy this spirit that we have in Auroville, you know, to share and to give, you know, to the new projects, the people they need.